They thought we were nobody. They thought we couldn't do it. But you know what we did? We went out there and we showed them what Wrigley High is all about. With blood, sweat, and most definitely tears, we showed them what the underdogs could do. So now, we're going to go out there for the final.
Hey, Brock, Cat. The sheer force of the impact threw star quarterback Brock Hammerman through the windshield, killing him instantly. Hi, my name is Brandon Sorensen, Senior Sales Representative for GWR Safety Solutions. In this sketch, the Skits help me portray Coach McGillicuddy, an inspirational football coach that just didn't give a lick about his players' seatbelt safety. As a result of his negligence, his star quarterback and town stud Brock Hammerman, played by our good friend Andrew here, died. GWR and the Skits would like to remind you all that seatbelts save lives. Buckle up every time.